your emotions have an echo in so much space. And when you're out there without care, yeah, I was out of touch. But it wasn't because I didn't know enough. I just knew too much. Hey everybody, Pro Trader Mike, Wednesday, June 10th, Mojo Day Trading Room video recap, and we may know too much in the day trading room. Check it out and see what we've done here today. It's money time. 6:10. Got about 90 left in the room, 100 right now. And show you right here, it's 10 a.m. We've done 7 trades in CTIC, LTIB, and GIVO. Now, in respect to hitting your daily goals, 52% of the room has made money. 1 person has not yet hit. 2 people made between 5 to 10% on their account. Everybody else made, half the room made between 1 to 5%. 34% of the room, 13 people that were paper trading made money. 1 person actually lost money, and 1 person paper trading lost money. All right. Those are good statistics for the room today. And, you know, my job here in the room is to ensure the success of the traders, because what's really bad is we're done for the day, okay? So if all these people made money and they're able to do that, it leaves a really bad taste in the mouth of these people. Oh, sure. And these people right here, I'm like, oh, I'm so sad because I lost money and I don't like the room. But hey, we could change that, and we could make you into a smiley guy if we find out why you may not be hitting your goals. And what I show some people is this. Look, if your goal is, get out a little fresh patty here. Okay, follow me here. Okay, look, my goal for the day is $500. Okay, and there's 20 days to trade. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's just take a week's worth. Okay, and this day of the week, everything is completely normal and no platform issues. The market's not down 500. The market's not up 500. It's a normal day. Things are going smooth, and you make your daily goal, and you've made $500. Great job on the day. The next day, you run in, and it's just the most spectacular trading day of the month, and you actually make $1,500 because there's 3 days of the month out of 20 that you make your biggest money, 3 to 4. So we'll call it 1 every week. So this day you did great. The next day you had platform issues, and the platform wasn't working. So you only made $300. And on this day, you say to yourself, you know what? I didn't make my goal. However, you really did. Because with a goal on $500, that's on a perfect sunny day. No clouds in the sky. However, on this day, it was cloudy. Okay? The sun was covered by the clouds. So this day, I'm really good with making $300 because my platform was down. So yes, on this cloudy day, I actually did make my goal. So a goal on a normal day is this. It has to be readjusted down because it goes up on an amazing day. It's got to be readjusted down on a day where you may have missed the first trade of the day and you only got in on the second and third, and now the day's over, and you say to yourself, I didn't make my goal. But you really did, because you missed the bus and the train, so you had to run to work. You really got to work, but it wasn't the way that you wanted to, but you accomplished your goal. You got there. Don't be late for the train. The next day you made $900, and that's how you roll for the month. Every day is not going to be a killing, and you have to judge it accordingly. And that's how we'd roll in the Mojo room. So let me show you right here. All right, the money that we did for the day. Steve made $6,400 today. Great job. Okay, I'd be pissed if I lost money and guys like that are making that kind of money. Okay, Job made $350. All right, GC made $700. Glass made $195. First day live $150 for Trader Boozy. All right, and that's my point. Trader Boozy was one of the guys that he didn't hit his goal. Okay, so Trader Boozy, again, $150 first day live. So look, your goal's what, $500? You hit $150. 500 would be like not your first day. Okay, lower your expectations. What you need to do is you need to under-promise. So under-promise. Say my goal is 200, not 500, and then over-deliver. And then do 350 on the day and say, look, I'm really happy with that. Instead of doing 350 where your goal's 500 and you're under delivering and over promising. That's what you're doing, Busey. Okay, you got to change it around. As soon as you change it around and lift that monkey off your back, you'll trade a lot better. You won't be pushing it to trade. What happens is you have a $500 goal, you're at 200 or 150 on this trade, and you're like, dude, I got to do 2 more trades to bang out into that 500 to hit my goal. That's not the thinking of a businessman. That's the thinking of a trader. And if you think like that in this room as a new trader, Boozy, you're going to lose in the long run. It's a marathon and not a sprint. And if you see it that way, you're going to win. Okay? The people that are new to the stock market, they're not doing so well. Okay? This guy, Trader Genio, he loses every day. So I told him, look, buddy, you know, you can either leave the room and go do something else or stop losing money and take Mojo University, man, because it's not about, he's a small trader, so he's not making a lot of money. I'm not going to charge him as much as I would a guy making $1,000 a day that can make that back easy. His success is my success. I want this guy Genio to be in my room for a lifetime, for 10 years. So he'll pay in $10,000 to Mojo at $99 a month for the rest of his life, and he'll grow his account to be a millionaire. That's the goal, and building an elite team of traders. So if I could work with him and make him a great trader and understand what's going on, you must learn the Mojo scaling sequence and methodology. Hold off on your trading, at least for the first week. You need to get it. So he's paper trading. He's a smart man. He's got to learn the style. It's a marathon. Okay. What I love about is the average price. You always make money like that. Yes, you do, Trader Ambar, which is Trader Ambar is new to the room and new to Mojo University. Welcome, Trader Ambar. Thank you. He gets it. He gets it. All right. So everybody's making their goal. Trader Barnes, good. Now I made my goal, but before you didn't, you gotta readjust and really think about under-promising and over-delivering. All right. So yes, I'm a mean nice. All right. And I was telling everybody, look, it's an elite team. I'm trying to build elite team. The coach of Notre Dame that's won all the championships, he's not no kiss ass to the players. He tells them what to do and exactly how to do it and keeps them in line. The coach of the Chicago Bulls doesn't talk to Jordan and Pippen and all them guys and pussyfoots them around. He tells them exactly what to do and how to do it and makes the moves and makes them the best players they could be. That's what I do. And I'm making a live video. Okay? This is live. All right. So that's the purpose of that. Hedge Fund Mojo. Nice job, Brian. Oh, come on, guys. Really now? You know that? Awesome day in the room. I'm glad everybody enjoyed the day. Let me show you the stocks that we traded in order to do that. Okay? It's been a really cool morning. really cool morning. Let me show you what stocks we traded in order to do that. Okay, Mike's the coach of the decade. Thank you, guys. Make a great living and free entertainment. You got it. It's what I expected. I'm here to make $1 million. You better believe it, Genio. Makes me crazy. Let me show you the trades we did today. First trade of the day, LITB long, 572 to 77. At 90, we're all in, sold it at 610 to 22 to 29. That's a trade. Then it went into a Cupid top. We tapped it the second time right here at 637. We've got it long at 612 and sold at 22 on the second tap. Let me show you that's exactly the trade that we did on LITB right here. And it's back at 6. So we bought it again. Let me show you what we did on this trade. So LITB right here. Let me go on the 2-minute chart. May look a little bit better. The 1 minute. So right here, here's the 1-minute chart. The stock right here, we bought at 577 and 80. 590, we bought more. And then Wall Street came in and took the stock to 639, and we sold up into those bars. So we bought here on the 1, 2, 3 scale, 1, 2, 3 scale and dip. We sold into the long bar, into that Cupid top right here. We retapped it right here for the 1, 2, and we sold it right there, and we're done for the day. Now what again we did is we bought right here, and we're selling it right here. And that's what we did on LITB. And here's those exact moves. The last one was sold at 22. Then we bought it again at 602 and 3. And right here, LITB, long 577, long 575. And right now, it's 595. So that's another 20-cent win on LITB. And everybody is done for the day. We got GEVO, 3-time trade on GEVO. GEVO, we went in and we filled right here through $4 and sold at 408 at 941. So here's the trade on GEVO. At 941, here's 942. The stock went from 375 to 415. Okay, so GEVO average was 93 on that second. Let me show you GEVO. Sold at 408. So we sold up into 408, and then we tapped it small again at 96. So we sold up into the 408. It went to 415. Then we rebought it down here at 406, and we sold it up here. Where'd it go? Let me show you the second one. The first one was 408. The next one is 394, 393, and sold 397 just for a quick 4 cents. And then we did LITB again and just sold LITB 601, bought it again 77, just sold it at 95. So that's 595. And that's it. And that's how we traded today. And that's enough really to do everything that you need for today and make enough money that you need for the day. So if anybody wants to share an update, how much money have you made today? Show me the money. I'm going to do the day trading log. Show me the money. You want to see the pro traders in the room? Check it out. Here's pro traders. Look. See? All these traders have taken Mojo University. See them? They'll all be lifetime traders. Alan, he'll be a lifetime trader with me, been with me for 3 years since I started Mojo. Banana, I'm really getting to know him well. He'll be with me hopefully for a lifetime. Colin, met him many times. He'll be with me for a lifetime. Clifton, a lifetime. Brandon started with me recently. He loves it. Bohan, lifetime. Benjamin, getting to know better. Pro Trader Francis will be with me a lifetime. Harry, yes. Iceman, yes. Jeff and Jack, getting to know him better. Pro Trader Joe will be with me a lifetime. Pro Trader Matter, changed his life around, will be with me a lifetime. Pro Trader Miguel, been with me since I started. Mike G makes a fortune. Monty, future business partner. Nori, be with me a lifetime. Phil, PSI, Joe, and Rody, be with Mojo for a lifetime. Okay, because they make money every day and they trade. Safari, stuck. And then the rest of the other traders below, Trader Ambar, just joined Mojo University. Arthur is in Mojo University. Brian is in Mojo University right now. So all these guys are future pro traders. Trader Bun, not in it, but makes 1,000 a day. Busey just joined. Kootley not in it. Kudo not in it. Okay? Guys need to be joining. Getting your game up. Genio loses money every day. Definitely needs to join. Hoff joined and is in. Okay? Jeff joined and is in. Who else is in the current class that's in the room right now left? Got a lot of people. Wally Boy, Wanda, Willie, Stu, Stuart, and Steve, and Singh. They're all in Mojo University. Everyone becomes a pro trader. That's the goal. You come in the room, you see what these guys are making. Let's see what the pro traders have made. Bassman made 425, Paul 300, Brian 341, Boozy 205, Life 520, Matter, great job. Pro Trader Allen 1609, Pro Trader Iceman 1000, 325, and Monty $500 more. Look at the pro traders have made double of what the regular traders make. It's pretty smart to say you should become a pro trader. Mojo room. Traders are making between 5 to 10% every single day on their account. And what I'm going to do now is the Mojo results. I need to update the results log from these calls in the room because everything is transparent. People try to knock the Mojo all the time, but the Moj is the Moj. And you know what? I can have a flashy Lamborghini and flashy houses and take crazy Instagram shots and all this, but I don't really think Mojo needs that. I have right here, if you go to the website on the blog below that, meet some of the pro traders. You can meet Pro Trader Mouse. Pro Trader Mouse on August of 2014 was right here, $72,000 away from $1 million. And he started with a credit card cash advance of $3,000. So listen to his story on how he started, how he came into the Mojo room, how he would never spend money on any kind of education or anything. What happened was he came in the room and he was a know-it-all and he was abusive in the room. So I kicked him out of the room. And then he wrote me an email saying he really is apologetic and sorry that he did that. And he wants to come back and he would take the course if I let him back in the room. So I let him back in the room and I told him he's not going to say a word and he's going to be quiet as a mouse. So his name became Trader Mouse. After passing Mojo University, he became Pro Trader Mouse. Then he started to average 5,000 a day. Then he started to average 10,000 a day. Then he started to average 20,000 a day, and within 6 months, he made $1 million. Listen to this video interview of him doing an interview on the radio, talking about what he's done in his life and how he did that. Then meet Pro Trader Allen, who's in the room and is going to be with me a lifetime. That's Allen. He's a successful entrepreneurial businessman in Florida that runs a really successful insurance business that was able to retire from that business and make more money day trading than he did in that business in 1/10 of the time. Listen to his story right here on the radio in his interview. Real nice. All right, and you can take the next class of Mojo University down there. And then if you want to, you can come up right here and check out the results of the day trading room, which I'm going to fill in right now. So here's the day trading log. Just give me 1 second. I don't want to play more music because it might get blocked by the YouTube. So we'll stop on the music there for a sec. And we'll get this baby going. So right here, I want to show you how transparent the Mojo Day Trading Room is and how real everything is. Okay, so every day, no matter what gets put into the room, everything is recorded. And On June 9th, here's the announcements that went in the room. The history of the announcements on June 9th, from the morning routine right here up to 9:30 on the first trade. So I take all these trades that were called out and I put them on this log right here. So it's now the 9th. Today's the 10th, so I'll record those trades as well. And these will be for the 9th. So I got that. Let's spend some time here getting this correcto. Day trade results. It's weird that, right, this line is my projector. That's what this line is on here. So let's check this out. We have trade number 1. So we have OCLS. Average 187, sell it at 95. OCLS. So that's OCLS 187. All right, OCLS, sell here 197. Done. Made 10 cents. Very nice trade for the opening trade. 197. Nice dime. If you say, hey, dime's nothing, buy 10,000 shares and make $1,000, then tell me it's nothing. Say, hey, you can't buy 10,000 shares. Well, yeah, the stock traded 4 million by 9:30. Okay, check it out yesterday. Nugget long 10.25 to 30. Call that our lemon squeeze trade play. Okay, then what we're going to do after that is we're going to tap OCLS the second time at 188, 89, 90, and 91. CAMT filled, got 4,000 to go, 280 or 301. So CAMT filled. CAMT, OCLS 182 from the stops, from the 92 sells. We're doing number 3 right here. So this one was tap 88.89, sold at 92. That was a stop from the previous trades. So these are stops from the previous trades. On OCLS, we tapped it the second time. And then stops from here, from the 92.3 sells, we're going to do number 3 on OCLS. From the 92 sells, we're buying it at 82. Those are the stops. Then we're selling here, 186, 187, a little less. It's the third wave. I'll take the nickel. 500 share, 5,000 shares. That's $250, half of what you would do the first time. PBMD all in. Sold 229, 228. Made another dime on that one. PBMD. PBMD. OCLS filled 180, 181. Now we're doing it the 4th time. From 187 sell. You got to be on the right wave. The waves are going like this. All right, so Mojo's buying, buying, buying. Everyone else is buying here. Then it's here, and they're saying, wow, I'm really right on the trade. Mojo sold. Then they're saying, wow, this thing's really going good. I'm making money. Mojo's almost out. Then they're like, at the point of financial peakness, Mojo's flat out of the trade. Then the stock, they get greedy. The stock comes down. They get anxiety. Then they get panic. Then they get despair. Then financial crushing. Then they get stopped out right here. And Mojo starts to buy again. 1, 2, 3, and then the same cycle happens again, and Mojo sells 1, 2, 3 into that top, which I call a Cupid. Then it rolls back down around, and it's the same cycle over and over and over. And that's human nature, because the people doing the trades on the other side are pressing the buttons, and that's what they do. So canceling the sell on OCLS, CAMT 2000, got 3,000 more to go. Getting out, holding 500 for kicks, sold 234 on the rest of PBMD. So this went to 230. Got another penny. UVXY made 12 cents. Heinz. $40.93 to $41.05. PBMD got a little left. OCLS, let's do it again. Last sale was 84.85, so that 181. We sold it 84.85. So we made 10, we made 5, we made 3. Now we're going to do it again. OCLS filled 78.77, adding 74. So the average is around 76 on OCLS. Another stopping station trade play at 176. And you have, and I love making these because these are real deal transparent. People are like, he's so full of everything. He doesn't make money for anybody. Well, those people aren't in the room, and they continue to suffer. And they tend to be younger people under the age of 30 years old. So my team and my people are made up of more of an elite group of traders that are bigger size traders that have been in all those other losing rooms, and they realize everyone's just calling out signals. There's many moderators. They can't make money, so they get frustrated. All those other rooms have little traders in them. My room has a lot of big traders in them. That's the difference. I trade Nugget, sold 3/4, got a quarter left. So Nugget right there. We sold, I wish I had the price in there because it's from 2 days ago. OCLS, we're going to sell it. OCLS sold. It was 181. Remember that one. Nugget. Sold 45. Take a dime on it. We did good on Nugget. Trading that the last couple of days. And I got seed. I'm going to go small. 230, 235, and 240, 500 at every one of those stations. Seed started at 235. So yeah, don't average, man. Don't keep on buying. Got a 240 average. Yeah, don't buy up, don't buy down. Bad play, bad move. This is called a mini Heinz trade play. Right through 250. That's what this one did. Gibson, small buy, 96.97, sell through 4. Gibson, GBSN. You'll look to sell that through 4. It's called the Heinz trade play. OCLS got 500 left, sold 180. So there's 180. I got 181. We'll take 180. 4 cents. Got a little left. See if we get back up higher. I think we sold it higher. LPTH Heinz 190 to 95, squeezing 95 on LPTH. So it's 192 on LPTH. We're going to play it up towards 2. Seed sold half, 243, 244. half, 243. Yeah, 3 cents. You're like, dude, what are you kidding me? That's only half. Okay, Gibson, one more time, 395 to 99, sell back 405. So we sold Gibson at 405. And we're going to tap it again. So Gibson, one more time, 395 to 99, sell back at 405. If 395, we go to 385. All right. So Gibson was 395 on the second tap again. Like doing these second tappers. And then we got, let's see here. Then we got seed sold 244. Seed sold mini Heinz 251. That's the end of it. So that's a seed 2000 left. So we did seed sold 244. So that was the end of seed at 244. So we got 244, and then we mini Heinz it through and got 251, and then that was the end. Let's see what we got. So we got $244, $244. That's the 244. We got 251. We got 253, 255. We got 500 left. Flat at 260. So we got an average of around 255. I'll take it 2 cents less. I'll take 253, 13 cents. Could have been more, but hey. So now when you see these, you'll be like, hey, no way. He actually makes more on those. So OCLS, Nugget here, 1012, 1014. We do it again. Do Nugget again, 1012, 1014, stopping station. And we got Nugget adding 1007. I'm going to do some size. So when I do size, it brings the average down to 09. Okay, I'm going to do some size. I'm going to do some size on that. So people had the time of their life yesterday. At 10:16, I went CERE long. It's the swing pick. It looks solid. 227. Watch this. CERE, my swing pick, 227. Stock went to 270. Yeah, that's right. 270. Watch. We bought CERE at 227. We added Nugget 1009, 1010 average there. Seed buy 258 to 259. So it went. We sold 253. We bought at 258. I'm gonna do a lemon squeeze breakout. That's what that one is. So CERE. I'm testing a sell at 237 to see if it's going higher, and it got sold 242, 243, sold tiny, half left, 250, sold 252, got a quarter left. And so 252 got a quarter left. I got around a 246, 47 sale price on CERE. It's the trade of the day. Beautiful trade. LPTH sell 89. LPTH sold 86. Okay. So LPTH, we didn't make any money. We sold 86. OCLS small 168, 169. Tapping it again. We sold it at 180. Now it's 168. OCLS profitable now at 72 plus, sold 74. And we got Nugget long. I'm only long Nugget right now. PBMD signal 237. We're going to buy 233. IMAX 41.91 to go through 42. Went to 42.60, I think. Sold it at 42.01. I had no patience for it. Filled 500 at 58, 1500. So MOJO break even. 41.67. Now UEPS $17, 16.80. So I only made a little bit of a move. That wasn't a big one. So here was a UEPS yesterday. I went to 17.47 from so I missed 37 cents on it. No big deal. Jivo, amazingly awesome, 398. So Jivo was an awesome trade at 143. So good. Let me see what happened with Jivo yesterday at 143 in the afternoon. Okay, so Jivo yesterday. Did a spike here yesterday. Made a move from 373 to $4. So that was the move right there. Sold at 98. What a move. Look at that. I saw this volume band come in. We bought right there, and it went boom. 1 million shares went in. We sold it right up into that bar. And that's what I'm talking about. Look. So look, here's your V band break right here. We bought, sold up into the long bar, into the Cupid top. Bought here, tapped it up and sold the second time. Right, Mojo, you? So that was nice. Let's call it 380 to 398. Let's call it 378 to 398. A nice, beautiful 20-cent awesome move on Jivo. Then we sold 4. We're done. We got filled again on that second tap, like I showed you how it came down. 392. We filled 90, sold 95. Okay, so I'm not fooling around, guys. We're making money, man. Tap, stop, station, trade play. Told you I did that. Look. Okay. We bought right there on that V-band break. We sold up into that huge bar, right into $4. We sold at $3.98. There's your top of the high bar. We bought right back in here and sold it right there. Look, $4. That was our prints. We sold $3.98 to $4. Then we bought it back right here at $3.80 and sold it up right there at $3.88. Okay. Bought at 90, sold at 95. Go to the next. Okay, sold 95. sold 96. All right. Then we're going to do it again. This was 90 to 95. Now we're going to do it 92 to 96 and then 91 to 97. $392 to $396. Then $391 to $397. Tell me we ain't good. Sham, Schlang. All right. So here comes IMAX, starts selling break even for 41.55 to 70. Made nothing on that. Wasn't a bump. That was a Heinz. We traded it more. So that was IMAX later in the day. Gevo 392 average. We've got 1701. That's that stock going through Heinz, UEPS right here through 17. Gevo took some 393. That means it's going higher. Rebuy box 388 to 92. UEPS sold half 716. So UEPS, where is that one? Right up here. So I actually got like 17, 13. Gevo here long 383. So we got 385, 86 average. And then UEPS sold 1722, got 100 left. So that's fine with that. And that's the end of that part of the day. And then let's see here. Hold on 1 second. So here's the second part of the day. Oh, that's MOJO University. That's MOJO U from last night. June 9th. So that's it. Not the day before was the 8th. So that ended the 9th. TBMD, we didn't make that much on. I think we got 238. Nugget, we did well. We made 18 on Nugget. And Gibson, we actually, yeah, what's his name, bought too many shares. Instead of 300, he bought 3,000. That wasn't good. Saved you though. A light path we lost on. So let's take a loss on light path. So this was the light path, and that's the end of it. So now we got today, 610. Keep track of what you're doing so you really know how sharp you are. So today, this is exactly what happened today. So the first trade of the day was CTIC, and we got the average to 11 on CTIC. Next one was LITB at 572 to 77, and then all in at 90, which gave us an average cost of around 85, and we sold at 610, 22, and 29, gave us an average of 20. So it was 585 to 615. 585 to 615. $585 to $615. Beautiful trade. Then we rebought at 92. Let me see here. We rebought stopping station small at the 607 to 12 and sold there, there, and there, and 37. So that was a 615, 612, 34, and 37 gave an average of around 24. So that was 14 to 24 and even higher. So 14 to 27. 14 to 27. 14 to 27. 14 to 27. Next one, I was sold 37. 607 to 12 again. Jivo sold 408. So Jivo sold 408. That was a Heinz. So what I'll do is I'll fill in the rest of these, and you'll know they all came from the room right here. And that's what Pro Trader Mike does with his job and his business on a daily basis. If you want a business, you can have a day trading career, make money doing that, and you can do that with Mojo Day Trading. So here's the room results. Here's the website. Come check it out, mojodaytrading.com. Pro Trader Mike signing off. Keep it profitable, and I'll see you tomorrow, Thursday, June 11th. Peace.